Konnichiwa YouTube, this is Taiki, and today I wanted to talk about how to pronounce R sound in Japanese. So I've encountered a lot of students who have struggled with pronouncing the R sound in Japanese. So I wanted to have a tutorial on how to pronounce that sound. So there's a R roll in Japanese, which is la, li, lu, le, lo, and many people find it extremely difficult to pronounce that word. So I'll just make it easy for you. Try pronouncing D sound, which is da, da. Do it about 10 times. Da, 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 da. And after that, try pronouncing the L sound. La, 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 la. And back and forth. Da, la, da, la, da, la, da, la. You see there's a gap in between the tongue placements. Between da and la, there's a gap. So that's where you want your tongue to be. In the middle of da and la. So make it closer, make it closer. Da, la, da, la, da, la, 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 la. That's how you pronounce the R sound in Japanese. So once you're comfortable with it, try to practice the other vowel sounds too. So la, if you get la, next is li. So for that, same as la. Li, di, li, di, li, di, li, di, li, di, li, di, li, 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 li. Okay? So practice lu, le, lo, the rest too. And it's about progression. It's about consistency. It's about practicing all over and over again, and that's how you be able to pronounce that word. That's about muscle memory. So don't give up, and I'm pretty sure if you practice every day, about at least 5 minutes every day, you get there. You have the power to be able to pronounce anything. Okay? So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. さよなら。